Give me 60 seconds, and I'll show you how to become 1,000% better at Zentangle. You don't need expensive classes or natural talent. You need the 30-15-1 rule. Here's what it means. For 30 days, pick one challenging Zentangle pattern. Every morning, practice it for 15 minutes straight. No distractions, no phone, just deliberate practice. I chose or knot, that tricky overlapping pattern. 15 minutes daily of perfecting lines and mastering shading. The results? Mind-blowing. Steady your hands, better flow, professional-looking tangles. My improvement is unbelievable. Lines cleaner, patterns more intricate, confidence skyrocketed. Now, imagine you doing the same. One pattern, 30 days, 15 minutes daily. How skilled could you become? Comment the pattern you'll master for 30 days. After 30 days, come back to your comment and reply with your results. Let's see who's serious about being a Zentangle artist.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.